Good day, I am Patricia Erica Luis from F12B. This is our concept paper. I'm with Kian Daisog, Rowena Gedraga, and Cheryl Santos. Aims and objectives in line with the international human rights. The project is response to the objective of international human rights, which aims to protect and safeguard of the human rights of everyone despite of their gender preferences, sexuality, gender orientation, and identity. To be more specific, the study will provide sources and cases that involves violation of human rights in terms of sexuality and gender. This will also provide legal information and procedures regarding such cases. In line with this, we also aim to inform people, irrespective of their sexuality, gender orientation and identity, and preferences. They are entitled to enjoy their rights and protection provided by the international humanitarian law, including the respect to the right to live, personal security and privacy, forced arrest and detention, right to be free from any kind of abuse, torture, and violence, and the right to be free from verbal and physical discrimination.
Significance and purpose of the proposal research. The purpose study is analysis of published researchers and study discussing psychological reasons of why discrimination against LGBTQ community becoming a big issue to deal with the psychological effects of such discrimination to the victims. The purpose of this study is to provide information on how the victim suffers under the circumstance they are experiencing within their community. This is also to provide legal procedures in case someone will experience such discrimination. This is just not happening in one specific place. Everywhere and every day, discrimination against gender and sexuality happens. Where in place like school, workplace, public destination, and such things should be not a safe place for everyone to go. Going further, taking such action by the police, school admin, and authorized establishment should always be implemented so that everyone could feel safe everywhere they go. The stigma of discriminating a person just because of their gender and preferences should put to an end. The study is considered to be significant in legal terms and action in such cases. Providing an overview on substance abuse in lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queer population. The major focus are methodological issues specific on discrimination against the LGBTQ population and community itself. It can be also considered as a scholarly contribution in local knowledge such as Philippines and the other country that experience most discrimination and major abuses by their own citizens and cultural beliefs of their society. In fact, as of 2017, 15 municipalities and 5 provinces in the Philippines had ordinances prohibiting any kind of discrimination regarding such basis of sexual orientation and gender identity.
Relevant research literature. Sexual orientation and gender identity play a vital role in discrimination and bullying around the whole world. In this area, some research and studies will be presented. Psychological impact of discrimination to the LGBT community. Discrimination against LGBT people is a commonplace. Gays, lesbians, transgenders, bisexuals, and queers are 10 times more likely to experience discrimination and abuses because of their sexual orientation and gender identity than the normal personnel. Discrimination comes in different forms: hidden meaning jokes, verbal insults, unfair and unequal treatment, and in worst cases, physical abuse. For the victims, these experiences from the society will be unending everywhere they go: school, workplace, community, and such places they will go. Discrimination against LGBT leads to economic and social problem. Discrimination against LGBT community doesn't hurt just an individual. It hurts families, community, companies, and even the entire country. According to a study conducted in United States, United Kingdom, and Thailand, between their studies, half to two-thirds are part of LGBT community and are regularly getting bullied at schools, and up to one-third are skipping school just to avoid getting harassed by the other students. Most of the youth that is part of LGBT community were being rejected at home and getting bullied at schools. International human rights law and sexual orientation and gender identity. Human rights are inherent to all human beings. We are equally entitled to our human rights without discrimination. Whatever our nationality, place of residence, sex, national or ethnic origin, color, religion, language, or any other status such as age, disability, health status, sexual orientation, or gender identity. International human rights law are the obligations of the states that we bound to be respected. It was stated that it is unlawful to make any distinction of people's right based on the fact that they are lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, or queer, just like how unlawful it is to do so based on status, age, race, skin color, sex, and religion. It also aims to protect individuals from homophobic and transphobic violence and prevent torture and cruel, inhuman and degrading treatment, repeal laws criminalizing homosexuality, prohibit discrimination based on sexual orientation and gender identity, safeguard freedom of expression, association, and peaceful assembly for all LGBT people.
Work plan. Every project plan needs goals. Within each goal, you're going to outline the necessary key action steps in project planning, the requirements, and who's involved in each action step. It allows you to outline the requirements of a project, project planning steps, goals, and team members involved in the project. This provides visibility to everyone involved, keeps project deliverables and organized in one place. It helps you stay on track to reach your objectives.
Background of the study. The research is entitled Gender Discrimination LGBTQ Community Experiences and Their Human Rights. Gender is the behavioral or psychological traits typically associated with one sex, while prejudice is the unfair feeling or dislike a person because its age, religion, and etc. So in all, gender prejudice is the unfair treatment for a person because of his or her sex. Gender prejudice is one of the problems in the society, which is the society tends judge and criticize the members of the LGBTQ community. Lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, and queers are also known as the LGBTQ community wants to make every people happy, make the environmental and the world colorful, and teach other people not to judge so easily. In every society, we cannot avoid what people used to think that God created men and women only, and the other people have the notion in their mind that the LGBTQ are pest of the society.
Preliminary literature review. Discrimination based on a minor sexual orientation or identity is similarly associated with poor mental health outcomes. Research has focused on the physiological consequences of discrimination in the form of extreme events, such as hate crimes and other victimization, on a daily hustle in the form of heterosis event. Both ends of this spectrum appear to negatively affect mental health among lesbian, gay, bisexual groups, resulting in depression and post-traumatic stress symptoms, or increased anxiety and anger.
Methodology. So basically, the making of methodology section should clearly show why methods suit the objective and to convince the reader that the best possible approach is best based on your perspective and to answer your problem statement and research questions. The method I use in making this methodology is qualitative method, and it is secondary because we are talking about inequality, and it is pretty obvious that you need to somehow elaborate the solution to the problem you are experiencing, the so-called inequality.